Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tesla Model X back door. The Model X Falcon wing doors offer several convenient ways to open them. From the outside, the simplest method is to double-click the dedicated button on your key fob, which will automatically open both rear doors. Alternatively, you can simply press the door handle when you are next to it, and it will extend and open for you. These methods provide quick and easy access to the rear cabin. Once inside the Model X, passengers can open the Falcon wing doors by pressing a button located on the B-pillar, positioned between the front and rear doors. The vehicle's large central touchscreen also displays a car icon, allowing you to tap and open either the left or right rear door, or both simultaneously. For added convenience, the Tesla mobile app lets you remotely open the Falcon wing doors, perfect for greeting passengers or loading items. The Falcon wing doors are engineered with advanced safety features. They incorporate several sensors, including ultrasonic and capacitive types, which continuously scan for obstacles in their path. If an object or person is detected, the doors will automatically stop or reverse their movement to prevent contact. This intelligent system also allows the doors to adjust their opening angle and height, ensuring they can open safely even in garages with low ceilings or tight parking spots, providing peace of mind. In the unlikely event of a power loss, you can manually open the Falcon wing doors. First, carefully remove the speaker grille from the door panel. It is usually held by 4 clips. Behind the grille, you will find a small mechanical release cable. Pull this cable firmly down and towards the front of the vehicle to disengage the latch. Once released, you will need to manually push the door upward against its hydraulics to open it enough to exit. This method is for emergency use only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.